Nag-yelo na yung dagat. Ito yung dagat ng Gaspe. Pupuntahan namin yung mga namimingwit doon. Nag-uukay lang sila doon eh. Sa ilalim ng dagat. Oh. Tindi na. Nag-yelo na. Dagat to eh. Ay! Ilalim. Ay! Ano ba yan? Sila, punta sila dun. Itong tinuntungan namin nito, dagat to eh.
Hello guys.
Dagat to.
Hello guys.
Ayan, nag-hi guys na sila. Hello guys.
Guys.
Shout out.
Watch out.
Ayan, sige kaya nyo.
Uy!
Nagbablog din
Hello!
siya. Ayan. Ayan, dagat
Hello
yun.
sa Philippines.
Ah, si Harold, namimingwit din.
Hello guys.
Shout out.
Watch out.
Ay, ito pala yung daanan ng ano nila, motor no. Ba, ayos yung dagat nila no. Nalalakaran yung dagat nila. Ito yung dagat na to, lawak. Kala mo may mga bahay na yun, tinayo lang nila yan eh. Yung mga maliliit na bahay, ano yan, nilagay lang nila yan para dyan sila sisilong para mamingwit. May higaan din siguro sila dyan no. May higaan. Ang lamig. Picturean sila. Grabe yung lawak ng dagat nila oh. Hindi na dagat eh, naging ano na eh. Snow na to eh. Lalim siguro ng ano nito no. Ay, tignan natin dito, may namimingwit na rin dito oh. Sino ba ito namimingwit na to? May nahuli na siya? Sino ba yan?
Hindi ko kilala.
Mahal pa yung parang nahuli. Ah, ito, namimingwit siya.
How much if we want to go
Tip.
fish? How much?
You have to go down.
Pamain nila. Pamain nila.
The red cabins are way out there. They got a good many. But
Well, how?
they rent them for the whole day. There.
Yeah.
Yes.
You know, like if you got maybe $25, I think it is
$25
whole day? Only?
for one person.
For one person,
Yeah.
no,
Yeah,
it's
that's
so
good.
expensive.
No, no, but you can get the
Expensive yun. $25.
For whole day.
Yeah, for the whole day.
Whole
For
day.
the whole day.
Whole day,
From-
whole day.
From 7 o'clock.
Oh, pwede.
From
Oh,
7
pwede.
to 3 o'clock.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's fair enough.
Naka-live ka?
Oh.
Because last year I rented
Joke lang yan,
there or
Jigs.
whatever.
Joke lang.